Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I wanted to just go ahead and go over the ES with you really quick because it was a crazy week. And I just thought that I would show you what I am seeing here in our room on the ES. Of course, as usual, this applies to the SPY, SPX also. So here we are after this insane week, right? This is what I am seeing right now. We still do have the second target off of that high to low, which is coming in at 39.78. We have a first target off of this larger swing that we are still inside of at 40.12. And then there's a smaller swing inside of that swing that the target is 39.82. And then we have another small swing right here that we are looking at, and that target is 40.15. Okay, so I have a couple of areas listed for you here, 39.78 to 82. And then the one above that is 40.12 to 19. See if we can hit the 4,000 sometime in the next week or so. We'll see what happens, right? I mean, when we did this pullback yesterday, I was like, what's going on here? Because we almost crossed the 5 and the 13 to the downside. So I got a little bit worried, but today was crazy and we just ripped on up there. So please watch out for these targets. As we get into those, the green is where you take your money. Many moves tend to terminate at extensions, just like we terminated at that second extension the first time we were at it at 39.78. Now, for the 120-minute chart, of course, I had this set up here, and we bounced. And we have a larger target of 40.15. That's the same one we saw on the daily, but we also have a swing within a swing target coming in at 39.72, and that's almost where we failed today. So that is what I have for you on the ES 120-minute chart and daily. I hope y'all have an awesome weekend, and don't forget that next week is a 4-day week on the market for us, at least at Simpler Trading. Friday is Good Friday, and we will be off that day. If you don't already join us in the Fibonacci room at Simpler Trading, please come to join us. We'd love to see you in there. Thanks, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me